The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm letting you know about videos that are circulating on social media. And these videos are somewhat shocking videos. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm going to present to you pieces of those videos that are out on social media to let you know what's going on, you know, to keep you up to date and posted and so on. You see me? You know, I'm also presenting these pieces of videos to you so that you can have a look at these pieces of videos and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? Alright, now the first piece of video that I'm going to present to you is piece of a video from our entire video that's out on social media. And according to what has been said about that video on social media, it is said that that video shows when two men was fighting at a place that is known as Halfway Tree, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that's at the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any information as to when the incident happened, but however, the video is circulating on social media and is being talked about on social media, alright? Now, I'm going to present this video to you, but this is a warning that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Watch me. Yo, put on a knife, brother. Alright, stop it. Yeah, that's my knife. Yo, the man with this,
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Piece of a video that is out on social media, and according to what had been said about the video that's out on social media, it is said that the video shows when men was fighting at a place that is known as Halfway Tree, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that's at the country of Jamaica. Alright, let me know what you think about that. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, the next video that I'm going to present to you is a video that's circulating on social media, and according to what had been said about this video is that this video shows when persons throw objects at each other at a place that is known as Denham Town, that is within Kingston, Jamaica. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I do not have any information as to when this had happened or the incident had happened, but however, the video is circulating on social media and is being talked about. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, in this video you're going to see persons throw things at each other, and you're also going to hear shots fired. You understand? And you know, I'm going to present this video to you right about now so that you can have better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that is out on social media where it is said that persons throw objects at each other at a place that is known as Denham Town, that is within Kingston, that is within Jamaica. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to another video that's circulating on social media, and I'm going to present to you just piece of this video. You understand me? Now, according to what had been said on social media about this piece of video, it is said that this piece of video shows two females who are said to be Jamaicans, and they were fighting. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you this right now, and I want you to listen to me carefully because I'm not here to mislead you. But according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that the females are said to be two persons who are employed to a medical facility. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have no confirmation as to if they had been employed to any medical facility or so forth. You see me, I'm just telling you according to what has been said on social media. You see me? I have no confirmed information as to where this had happened, and I have no confirmed information as to when this had happened. Alright, but however, the video is circulating on social media, and I'm only going to present a piece of this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think according to what you see in this piece of video that's circulating on social media. Alright, yeah, it is said that the video shows up two females who are said to be Jamaican who somehow end up fighting. Alright, now before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I'm not afraid of you either. I'm not afraid of you either.
You know what good for you move in front of me.
Move me.
Move in front of me.
Move me.
Alright.
Move me. Where you call up my name for? You see me?
Come out of my face.
You see me?
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. A piece of a video that is circulating on social media where it is said that the video shows when two females who are said to be Jamaicans somehow end up fighting. You see it? Alright, let me know what you think about that video as well. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you another video right about now, and I want to listen to me carefully again. You see me? This video is not really a long video, and for some reason this video is circulating on social media and is getting a buzz on social media. You see me? And this video it shows a person yelling at a person and saying some harsh languages to a person. You see me? Now, this is not the first video I see this person in a video before. You understand me? And for some reason, the videos that shows this person is getting a buzz on social media. Now I'm bringing one of these videos to you so that you can have an understanding as to what I'm talking about. You see me? Or should I say I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have an understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright? Now, according to what had been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica, but I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video had been recorded. And I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. Alright, but however, this video is being talked about on social media. Alright, and this video shows a person yelling and saying some harsh language to a person. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you right about now, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yo, go on them from one boy, yo. So stop calling me a brother. Stop calling me a pussy, a batty boy, kiss me. Stop out me tongue. Stop out me tongue. Stop out me tongue. Kiss me for me lip. Then go suck your mother, man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You know, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. You know, I presented these videos to you to let you know what's going on and let you know about videos that are out on social media that are considered to be shocking videos. You understand me? Yeah, I present these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also tell me what you think about these videos and so on. You understand me? Yeah, and I want to give a shout out to one of my viewers who goes by the name of Mr. Talented Reed on YouTube. Yeah, I hope I get the pronunciation right and so forth. So may I say about, you know, Mr. Talented Reed, big up yourself. So may I say, yeah, big up and respect to you. Alright? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And if you need to contact Seriousskilla, just read the description down below in the description part of the video. You see me? And you can choose one of the options to contact me, Seriousskilla. You understand me? And yeah, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?